5 Great Uses for NFTs. Many people think NFTs are just pictures of apes, cartoon characters, or fancy pictures. They are much more than that. Regular people, artists, and musicians made over $17 billion in profits from NFTs in the past couple of years. Music, gaming, domain names, ticket sales, fashion. Please listen for more, but first please subscribe. Music NFTs have the potential to change the music industry significantly. Musicians can tokenize their songs, provide royalties to writers, collaborators, and others who are involved in their projects. Most importantly, NFTs will allow musicians to keep more of their money for their work. Gaming will be big for NFTs. In 2021, Axie Infinity, one of the most popular play-to-earn games, had over 2 million daily players, and their gaming NFTs traded for more than $500 million in just 3 months. Play-to-earn games allow players to create game-changing avatars, skins, and weapons on blockchain. These digital assets are sold and traded by players and non-players on NFT marketplaces. These assets are investments because they can often appreciate or increase in value. Many traditional gaming companies don't like play-to-earn games. They claim the reason is fraud, but I believe that they are afraid of the competition this new asset class creates. However, the Tezos blockchain has Ubisoft's major game developer Ghost Recon Wildlands game on its blockchain. NFT domain names have a ton of monetary opportunity. Several domain NFTs have sold for $100,000 US. Remember the .com boom? People spent millions of dollars to purchase .com domains after the internet took off. Only now are people starting to recognize the value of a good crypto domain name. Superpowered, Web3 identities sold by Unstoppable Domains, one of the largest sellers of domain NFTs, are poised to take off, just like .com domains. Here are some NFT domain benefits. You can use your domain to build and verify your digital identity, log in seamlessly to applications, games, and the metaverse, send and receive crypto, and host websites without the internet. Most importantly, Web3 NFT domains have a one-time registration fee, unlike traditional domains. They are permanent and blockchain minted, meaning you own them forever. Some examples of extensions used for domain NFTs are .crypto, .nft, .blockchain, .bitcoin, and .wallet. Fashion NFTs can be used as collectible pieces and can be used as virtual garments that someone can wear while meeting a friend, partying, or attending a meeting. Ticket NFTs benefit teams/issuers and fans. Issuers can use the blockchain as a ledger to confirm attendance and interact with ticket holders using NFTs. Having NFT ticket fan information allow issuers to include fans in surprise giveaways, create token-gated sites and services, and more. Some benefits of using NFTs for tickets include eliminating third-party and ticket resales. NFT transparency and authenticity verification reduce scams. Platforms can use smart contracts to prevent bots and scammers by checking their transaction history on the blockchain, which is public. A royalty system can pay the artist, producer, or other party a percentage of ticket sales. Some other uses for NFTs are luxury items, metaverse, supply chain, art. The important thing is to not miss out on this golden opportunity. Many people have gotten rich with NFTs, and many more people will get rich with them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.